Bessie. Go round the mountain, Corley. If I never see you again, darling, remember me. Last time I saw charming Bessie, riding around on the train. Next time I see charming Bessie, see me going down the lane. Go round the mountain, charming Bessie. Go round the mountain, Corley. If I never see you again, darling, remember me. Asked that little gal if she loved me. Said that she loved me some. Threw her little arms around me like a grapevine around a gum. Go round the mountain, charming Bessie. Go round the mountain, Corley. If I never see you again, darling, remember me. Go round the mountain, charming Bessie. Go round the mountain,